Hello beautiful people, I'm back with another video, and in this video we will talk about the hot topic that is open source.
I got a funny feeling.
So the first question that must strike you is, what is open source? Obviously you need to know what is open source, then you can contribute to it better. So an open source software is a computer software in which the source code is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants user the right to use, study, change and distribute the software to anyone or for any purpose. So this was a long definition copied from Wikipedia, and if you don't understand this, don't worry, I'll explain you with an example. So you can think of YouTube as an example of open source. YouTube is open source? No guys, YouTube is not open source, but you can relate to it so that you can understand it better. A few days back I was analyzing what could be the best way to tell a person about open source who is not into tech. So I came up with this idea that open source is very similar to YouTube, because here every user can share their thoughts. Like few people have vlog channels, some have a tech channel like one of mine, some have beauty channels, etc. So think of them as different projects in open source like of Python, React, Linux, Git, etc. And there we collaborate with other people, and if we think that this feature should be updated, we can make a pull request. If you don't know what a pull request is, don't worry, I'll make another video on that. Also, different YouTubers can collaborate just like we do in open source, and the contributions made by us are videos on YouTube. The only difference is that you get paid on YouTube after a certain period, and in open source not all the projects will pay you. I think it somehow helped you to understand, even if you are new to this. That was it for today's video. In the next video we will discuss about the prerequisites to contribute to open source, what you will gain from that, and the ways we can contribute. If this video gets 500 views in 6 hours, I'll post the next video immediately. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Hold up.